We're here with Tigist Assefa, the 2026 Thesis London Marathon champion, and coach Gamedu Dedefo. Welcome. Tigist, tell us, how are you feeling this morning?
إني دكمان كتلانتنا ودي بوالا زاري مني سماشال.
በጣም ደህና ነኝ ፊሊንጌ በጣም ጥሩ ነው ደስታው ነው መሰለኝ ምንም ድካም የለም በጣም ደህና ነኝ
I am feeling very good. I'm feeling very happy after yesterday's competition, and it feels as though all my tiredness has gone.
Tigist, that's 2 wins in a row in London, 2 women-only world records in a row in London. What do you love about coming here to race?
Tigist, aun hulet gize London Marathon ashana finish. Hulet gize lesa touch picha alam record sabarish. Lemon would London hul gize mamtat tifalagalish.
ለንደን ማራቶን ሁሉም አትሌት የለንደን ማራቶን ቢሮጥ ምርጫችን ነው ትልቅ ውድድር ነው እና ሁሌም መመኛው አጭር ርቀት ራሱ እያለው ለንደን ፊልዴን ቀይሬ ሮጣለሁ የሚል ህልም ነበረኝ ሆኖ ደግሞ ዛሬ ሁለቴ ሮጬ ሁለቴ ሪከርድ በሴቶች ብቻ የሚሮጥ ሪከርድ ባለቤት ሆኛለሁ እጅግ በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል
Because of the quality of the field, all the top athletes come here, and I love coming here for that reason. And obviously I love coming here because I've had success here. I've won twice, I've broken the record twice, so London's got a very important place in my heart.
And Tigist, we saw that fantastic sprint finish yesterday. You said afterwards you've been working on speed, and Gamedu is here. What elements in your training have you changed? You at the Olympic Games and the World Championships just lost in a sprint. Was that part of your training to look at your closing speed in a marathon?
እንግዲህ ትግስት ትላንት በስፕሪንት አሸነፈሽ እና እንዳወቅን በፓሪስ ላይ በቶኪዮ ላይ ሁለተኛ ወጥተሽ ግን ትላንት አሸነፈሽ በትሬኒንግ ላይ ትኩረት ለስፕሪንት ሰጥተሻል?
አው ኦሎምፒክ ላይ እና ለንደን ላይ ደርሼ ክር ላይ ተሸንፌያለሁ ትንሽ በዛን ጊዜ በፊት አኪለስ ስለሚያመኝ ሙሉ ስፒድ ለመስራት ትንሽ ተቸግረን ነበር አሁን ግን ጤናዬ ጥሩ ስለሆነ አሰልጣኝም ትሬኒንጎቹን ሞር ስፒድ ላይ ያተኮረ ነው ስንሰራ የነበረው በጣም ከኢንዱራንሱ የበለጠ ስፒድን ነበር ሲያሰራኝ የነበረው ተሳክቶልናልም
Yes, it's true. I haven't won all my races in a sprint, but in Paris at the Olympics, I wasn't in full health. I had to, in some ways, compromise my training and stay away from speed. But as I came into this competition, I was very healthy and I was able to focus more on speed work. And my coach was able to give me more of those speed sessions, more than the endurance. And obviously, that really helped me achieve a victory yesterday.
Gamedu, could you talk about the sessions that you have put on for Tigist?
No, normally Tigist is coming from 800 meter. She has sprint, good sprint, but for her after 20-0, I think 20. Which year half marathon you made injury? To 2021 after big injury in Valencia she made. She afraid to push. Okay, by that case she lost. If we thinking about Olympic, okay, she did not recover fully, okay, from London. And the world champion, Chepchirchir, all the years she did not run. She come from London, every time she have shortest training. By that case, the body did not recover well. If the body of Tigist is recover well, to compete for the other athlete with her is not easy. Okay, even in a sprint. Now from world champion to here, even the body is very recovered. That one is she did not compete even half marathon. That can help her to sprint in the last part of the race.
Tigist, that's 2 women-only world records here in London. You had the overall world record from your run in Berlin a few years ago. How much faster can you go? And what are you looking forward to in the coming years?
አሁን ሁለት ጊዜ ለሴቶች ብቻ ዓለም ሬኮርድ ሰበረሽ እዚህ ሎንዶን ላይ እና የዛሬ 3 ዓመት በርሊን ላይ በአጠቃላይ ዓለም ሬኮርድ ሰበረሽ። አሁን ወደፊቱ ሲናይ ምን አይነት ዓላማዎች አለሽ?
እግዚአብሔር ከፈቀደልኝ የዓለም ሪከርድ መሞከር ፈልጋለሁ። ከአሰልጣኝ ጋር ትሬኒንግን አይተን ቦዲ የሚሰጠኝን ነገር አላቅም። ወደፊት እሱን የመሞከር እቅድ አለ እና ኦሎምፒክ ሻምፒዮን መሆን ፈልጋለሁ።
For sure, if we're looking to the future, I would love to get that world record back that I set 3 years ago. Obviously, I'll need to discuss how and when that's going to be possible by speaking to my coach, listening to my body. But it's certainly one of my big aims for the coming years. And also, I'm thinking about the Olympics. I'd love to have another go at becoming an Olympic marathon champion.
And Gamedu, from your perspective as coach, how fast do you think Tigist can run?
Normally, if we see her talent is very big. The only problem is she cannot able to train full training. Still, she did not use all her talent. In mine, when I see her, she used very from her talent very few percentage only. If she can use no injury, full healthy, for Tigist to run sub 10 is very easy. Sub 10 is very easy. We did not know the time, but it limit her only the effect of injury. Or in all training, she is scarce. Okay, she choose a road. Not she cannot able to train like another athlete in the place she want. Even she did not use the shoes like what the other use. All the company what they are giving her. She is very selective for even for to wear high. She to protect injury. Only that one is stopping her to imagine when is it and how she will run fast. But normally, for me, sub 10 is very easy for her.
And one last question, Tigist. Tell us about the celebrations back at home yesterday. Were they watching the race on TV? Have you spoken to your family and friends? Tell us what it's been like since you finished and the messages of support you've received.
ከውድድር በኋላ ከቤተሰብ ጋር ተነጋገራችሁ እና በኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ በአጠቃላይ ያንቺ ድል እንዴት ይከበራሉ እዛ?
አው ትናንት ውድድሬ እንደጨረስኩ ለፋሚሊ ደውዬ ነበር። በጣም ደስተኛ ነበሩ። በተለይ እናቴ ቃላት ያጥረኛል። በጣም ደስተኛ ነበረች። ጓደኞቼ እህቶቼ በጣም ደስተኛ ነበሩ። የነሱ ደስታ አሁንም ስኬት መቀጠል እንዳለበት አሁንም ጠንክሬ መስራት እንዳለብኝ ነው። ትናንትና ሞር የነሱ ደስታ የተጋባብኝና በጣም ነው የተደሰትኩት።
After my win yesterday, I spoke with my family. Obviously, they were over the moon, so delighted with my result. I spoke with my mother. She was so happy to see what I'd achieved. And I can say that about all my friends in Ethiopia. And I think their reaction to my win has just motivated me even more to go on to continue to achieve big things in the sport.
Tigist, thank you.
Thank you.
እናመሰግናለን።
Thank you both, that was very good. Thank you.
Okay, thank